Welcome to exam week. So this week starts on a Friday and runs through Thursday. So Friday the 16th through Thursday, May 22nd, is the official Baruch exam period. So that's when you're going to be taking the class. Now, just like with the midterm, you can take your exam anytime during this exam period. But once you start it, you will have a limited time to complete the exam. So you'll start the exam and the timer will start for 2 hours plus a 15-minute grace period. And then it will submit. Even if you close the browser and walk away, the clock will keep running and it will submit. So just keep that in mind that you will need to devote 2 hours and 15 minutes of sort of quiet, uninterrupted time to taking the exam, but you can do that anytime during exam week. So again, from Friday the 16th through May 22nd, which is a Thursday, at 11:59 p.m., the final exam will close. So just a couple things to keep in mind. Just like with the midterm, there's going to be an honesty pledge that you have to take before you can start the exam. If you have any problems with it, either technical difficulties or you object to something on it, please reach out to me right away because you will need to take that in order to see the exam. Now, just a couple considerations. Testing accommodations. If you reached out to me for the midterm, you are all set. If you didn't, please definitely reach out to me as soon as you possibly can so I can build in any accommodations you might need. Authorized resources. Just like with the midterm, there's no lockdown browser, so this is open book and open note, but it is not open internet. So authorized resources are basically anything that I gave you in this class. So that would be your textbook, any scanned documents, any lecture slides, and of course the review materials, and any videos that I've told you to look at. But not the internet at large. So what are unauthorized resources? Basically anything else. Don't want you Googling things or using ChatGPT. Aside from the fact that this is cheating, it is also very possibly not helpful. These things are not actually that bright. They haven't been in the class. They may mislead you. So I would strongly recommend you take the exam using authorized resources. One suggestion is that Crut's textbook is online and searchable. So if there's a term that you encounter and you're like, oh, I'm not sure what this means, rather than Googling it, which is, again, cheating, look it up in the Crut's textbook. It's going to give you a much better definition because it's going to be a definition that's accurate for our class, and it's not cheating. So it's a win-win. Makeup exams, I really don't give them. If there is a reason you think you need a makeup exam, please reach out as soon as you know that circumstance is coming up. It will very likely require documentation to justify this. Also, please know, because it's the end of the semester, there's a good chance that if you need a makeup exam, you will end up having to take it incomplete and complete the makeup exam, and then the grade will be resolved. But usually that resolution doesn't happen until the fall semester. So definitely keep that in mind if you're planning on graduating this spring. If technical difficulties come up during the exam, email me immediately. And if it's appropriate, submit a BCIT help desk form. I will do my best to respond quickly, but this is asynchronous. So if I miss your email, don't stress. I understand that it might mean we need to make some accommodations and adjustments, but it also means you should not save the exam for the last minute. If something happens, you're taking it like Sunday and it's 11 o'clock at night, the exam's due in an hour, and something happens, I'm probably not going to be able to solve that problem at 11 o'clock at night. So, sorry, I said Sunday like a dummy. Thursday. I apologize. The exam is due on Thursday, the 22nd. But again, don't save it to the last minute, because if it happens, a tech issue happens at the last minute, that's not going to be a justification for an extension past exam week. So just keep that in mind. I know y'all did great with that with the midterm, just something to keep in mind. So finally, there is a review session on Saturday on Zoom. The information for that is on Brightspace. Have a great week and good luck on this and all your exams.